Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will continue the Hello World, which will run it right now. In running console there is a lot of ways. Without this, the console will automatically close without seeing the output of our code in the console. So in this video, we will learn the different ways of running the console without closing it automatically with read, readline, and ReadKey methods. So as you've observed, the console did not automatically close. For you to understand it more, here's some example. So let us try first to use the read method. Then run it. As you've observed, the read method returns an int, and it reads only one single character from the standard input stream. Like for example, 6 ASCII code value is 54, therefore the ASCII value of 5 will be 53, so the number 6 is not read by the reading method, because it reads only one single character. Then if a key is pressed on the console, then it would close. In the code we print information for the user to input, then we initialize int data type variable name num, because read method returns an int, then equal to console. Read method where it will read a single character of user input. Now for readline method. Then run it. As you've observed, readline method returns a string, and it reads the next line of characters from the standard input stream. Simply you can say, it read all the characters from user input, and finish when press enter. Like for example, we enter the name Sung Jin Woo, and it read until the next line, so the next line occurs when the user press enter key. In the code we print information for the user to input, then we initialize string data type variable named name, because readline method returns string. Then equal to console.readline method where it will read the next line input of the user. And now for the last is the ReadKey method. Then run it. As you've observed, ReadKey method returns a character, and it read only one single character, that which key is pressed by the user, and returns its name. In the code we print information for the user to input, then we initialize console.key info named key struct data type, because it returns character information of key. Then equal to console.readKey method where it will read the use key and its information. It does not require pressing enter key before entering. Usually used when you're giving options to the user in the console to select from, such as select A, B, or C. Another prominent example is press Y or run to continue. In this case, I've used ReadKey method to close or terminate the program because I want to close the program after executing the statement or code, then after, the console will read my input and close the program. Thank you for watching.